Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on the journal indexing. Today we will see how you can identify whether the journal is Scopus Index or not. Myself Dr. Garg, working in the School of Mathematics, Thapar Institute, India. You can contact me, either of my email IDs are there if you feel any doubt here. Otherwise you can simply follow this link for finding the other updated videos. So what is the target of this video is that whenever any of the researchers want to submit their research articles to either of the journals, then the target of them will be to choose the journal based on your research area, as well as based on the journal which is indexing in some of the major database like Web of Science or ISI, Scopus, SCI Index, Emerging, and so on. But it is quite obvious that by identifying the target journal with a good impact factor is not an easy task. So in order to discuss this, we will provide you the answer how you can check whether the target journal is a Scopus Index or not. So for that, what you can do is you can simply type scopus.com on the Google, else you can simply type this URL on your address bar, that is a scopus.com.sources. How we can do that, let me see on the Google are there. So this is a Google platform are there. I can write the simply Scopus here. I can click on the first link. This is a Scopus, and in this Scopus you can see this interface will appear. So then you can see on the top of the screen there is a word is a sources. Click on this sources, and once you will see there are these Scopus are there. Now you can check whether the journal is there are so many journals are there which is listed in here. Now you can check whatever the journal you want to know whether it's a Scopus or not. For example, I just want to check whether this International Journal of Control and Automation is a Scopus or not. If you scroll down this journal, you can see that this is listed here as indexed by Scopus. Now to check that whether it's really is a Scopus Index or not, what you can do is you can use either the title, you can use either the publisher, or you can use the ISBN number. So let me know the title of them. I can select the title. I can I can copy the title of here, International Journal of Control and Automation. Else you can type from the keyboard International Journal of Control and Automation. After this you can click on the find source. So once I can click on the find source, you can see there are the several options are there. So out of them, which one is your, you can see I have this Control and Automation. If I go back again, look at that, my title is Control and Automation are there. So which one is there? This is Control, Automation and System. This is not my target, so this is here. So once you click on this, you can see this screen display here, and you can analyze that this is coverage discontinued in the Scopus. So it means if at present it is not being indexed in the Scopus, but it is listed in the as a Scopus, indexed by the Scopus on the journal website. So you must be aware that before sending your research article to any of the Scopus Index journal, whether at present in the 2021 is a really a Scopus Index or not, this you can see that. Also, if you want to analyze more, you can see, like say if I just want to check whether this journal is a Scopus Index. Now again it is listed here. You can do what you can do is you can either click on the title. Let me check this with respect to the ISBN number. I can find the ISBN number of the journal here. So you can see I can copy this ISBN number. I can paste here. I can simply remove these previous search bar here. So I can type this. I can click on the find source. You can see the result display here, International Journal of this. So once I click on this, you can see here, now this is the coverage from 16 to present are there. So it means this journal is still in the Scopus category are there. So this is the way you can check whether your journals is the Scopus Index or not. Once it is you can find their side score, you can find their rankings, and so on. So this is the way you can check that. Make sure that you must be aware that whether the journal is a Scopus or not at present, whether it's written on the website or not. So this is the simple short video, you can analyze them. I hope you can enjoy this session too. You can find some other videos like how you check the plagiarism, how you can find the references, difference between them, various citations, all in the channel name Dr. Harish Garg under the playlist Research Methodology. Till then, share this video with your friends. Best of luck students. Happy learning.